Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the auto playing ad in the background on your LG TV. So you can see it usually plays up here. I just turned it off. And then you got these content recommendations down here, which now just says TV function and then recent input. So I can actually switch between those a lot quicker now. So let's go to settings and then go to settings here. And then wait for this to load. Let's go to general. Then go to the right, go on down to system. Then let's go to additional settings. Go to home settings. Then this is cool, power on screen. So if you want to completely turn off the home screen, just go straight to your cable box or PS5 or whatever you got. Go to recent input and then you'll never see this screen when you turn on your TV. Then we can go to home promotion. If I turn this on, this is going to be the ad playing in the background. So we have Tubi up there. We can turn this off. We can go to content recommendations. You can see all this stuff being promoted down here at the bottom for the LG channels, which is, fine, but we can just turn it off and it's gone now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.